How to build a wedding venue website that converts visitors into bookings. Most couples start their venue search online, so your website's first impression is critical. In today's digital age, your wedding venue's website often provides the very first interaction between you and potential clients. In fact, most engaged couples begin their planning journey online, browsing multiple venue sites before ever reaching out. With the majority of venue searches happening via Google, a site that not only looks beautiful, but also guides visitors toward booking is essential. A good wedding venue website must quickly capture attention, build trust, and make it effortless for couples to take the next step toward booking their special day with you. Below, we break down how to achieve this with a mix of professional strategy and a touch of inspiration. High-quality visuals and virtual tours. When planning a wedding, visuals are everything. Couples want to immediately picture their big day at your venue. High-quality photos of your ceremony spaces will create an emotional connection from the first click. Invest in professional photography that showcases different setups, lighting, and seasons. For instance, include shots of a sunny outdoor ceremony and a candlelit indoor reception. This helps couples visualize their big day at your venue. Avoid cluttering the homepage with too many images at once. Instead, feature a stunning hero image or slideshow and provide a well-organized gallery page where visitors can browse at their own pace. Virtual tours and videos can take your visuals to the next level. Consider embedding an interactive 360-degree tour or a walkthrough video of your venue. These tools let couples visit your venue before they actually visit, which is a huge bonus for busy or out-of-town couples. A virtual tour also gives a feel for your venue's layout and ambiance, building trust and familiarity, which will convert curious browsers into excited prospects that engage and book tours. Clear information and easy navigation. An effective website balances beauty with practicality. After dazzling visitors with visuals, make sure your navigation and content layout are extremely user-friendly. Couples shouldn't have to dig to find crucial details. If information is hidden or confusing, you risk losing their interest. Create clear menu categories, for example. Gallery, packages/pricing, availability, about us contact, so users can quickly find what they need. Each page should have headings and clear, easy-to-read key points, making the information needed easy to find. Provide essential information up front. Common questions on a couple's mind include: what are your packages and prices? How many guests can the venue accommodate? What's included with booking? By clearly presenting your packages, pricing options, inclusions, capacity, and unique features on your website, you preempt many common inquiries and instill confidence. For example, a dedicated pricing and packages page with downloadable PDFs, or a summary of what each package includes, will save everyone time and attract only the clients whose needs you meet. Transparency is key, and couples appreciate venues that openly share as much as possible online. Don't forget to highlight what makes your venue special. If you have notable features like on-site stays, scenic views, or flexible vendor policies, call those out prominently. Current trends also matter to today's clients. Is your venue eco-friendly or accommodating of micro-weddings? Couples increasingly value these things, so weave such strengths into your content. Similarly, if you offer weekday or off-peak discounts, advertise them visibly so couples know they can get value by choosing non-traditional dates. Clear, accessible information and intuitive navigation will keep visitors on your site longer, and the longer they stay, without frustration, the more likely they are to convert into actual inquiries and bookings. Strong calls to action, CTAS. Every great website needs to guide visitors toward the next step. This is where clear and compelling call to actions come in. A CTA is typically a button or link prompting the user to do something. For a wedding venue, the most important actions are usually to schedule a tour or check available dates. Make sure your CTAs are highly visible and use action-oriented text. For example, Buttons that say schedule a tour, check availability, or download our wedding brochure tell visitors exactly what they'll get. Avoid vague labels like learn more or click here, which don't communicate value. Be direct and enticing. Placement and design of CTAs are just as important. Ideally, feature your primary CTA above the fold, which means it's visible on the screen before a user scrolls. This could be a bright Book a Tour button right in your homepage banner image. Then add additional CTA buttons naturally throughout longer pages, after you describe your venue's features, for instance, to catch visitors when they are inspired to act. Use a contrasting colour and a bold, easy-to-read font so the CTA stands out. Many venues find success with a sticky header or floating CTA, which are ones that stay in place when the user scrolls. The easier and more obvious you make it to contact you or book a visit, the more likely a couple will do so. You can even A/B test different CTAs and their placement to see what gets the best response. Remember, each click on a CTA button is a potential client taking a step closer to booking your venue, so make those steps clear, easy, and inviting. Easy online inquiry forms. Once a couple decides to reach out, don't let a clunky form stop them. Your inquiry or lead capture form should be simple, fast, and mobile-friendly, removing every barrier to getting in touch. Ask only for the essential details you truly need for an initial response. Typically, this is the couple's name, contact info, email/phone, their anticipated wedding date, approximate guest count, and maybe one customizable field like "How did you hear about us?" or a comments box. Long, complex forms with dozens of fields will overwhelm users and some will abandon the form. Keep it short and sweet to encourage submissions. Your inquiry form should be easy to find on the website. A dedicated Contact Us page is a must, but you might also embed a brief form on the homepage or in the footer so it's accessible from any page. Ensure the form loads quickly and works well on mobile devices. Test it yourself. Is it easy to tap through the fields? Does the submit button work and give a confirmation message? Every part should be smooth. To really supercharge your lead capture, consider using smart forms and integrations. For example, set up an auto-response email that instantly thanks the couple for inquiring and maybe even sends your brochure or scheduling link. Modern web forms can also connect to a CRM, adding their information straight into your pipeline for a follow-up. You can even add a friendly incentive like, submit the form to get our free wedding planning checklist. Little rewards can boost the number of inquiries you receive. The goal is to make contacting you a painless, positive experience, so couples feel good about taking that step. Leverage Sunnas web forms for seamless bookings and management. While an easy contact form is great, you can go one step further by integrating a dedicated booking system directly into your website. This is where systems like Sunnas, wedding venue management software, shines. Sunnas provides an online booking form feature that you can embed on your site to capture leads and bookings effortlessly. Instead of sending an email that you then have to re-enter into a spreadsheet or system, an integrated form means each new inquiry goes straight into your Sunnas dashboard, populating all the key details automatically. This streamlines your workflow immensely, with no leads slipping through the cracks, and your team can respond faster since all inquiries are organised. Moreover, Sunnas enables online viewing bookings. You can define when your team is available for venue tours and allow couples to book their own tour slot on your website with just a few clicks. This 24/7 self-service approach is a game changer for conversion. For instance, Harper Weddings, a venue group, reported that after launching Sunnas, couples could book tours at any time of day, and this significantly increased their conversion rates of inquiries turning into visits and bookings. By letting interested users schedule a viewing instantly, you remove the back and forth friction and capture them whilst their interest is hottest. From a management perspective, integrating a tool like Sunnas makes running your business easier and improves the client experience. As Tanith at the Orchard venue noted, Sunas simplifies the process for couples while freeing up a significant amount of time for the office team, allowing staff to focus on personalising the client experience rather than chasing administrative tasks. With all inquiries, bookings, and even payments flowing through one system, you can track conversion rates, response times, and booking pipeline in real time on a dashboard. The result is fewer errors, higher efficiency, and more bookings confirmed. In short, leveraging Sunas and its all-in-one venue management platform transforms your website from a static page into an interactive booking engine, backed by an organised system that makes follow-ups and event planning a breeze for your team. Showcase testimonials and trust signals. Another powerful way to convert website visitors into bookings is by building trust through social proof. Planning a wedding is a very personal, emotional purchase, and couples want to be sure they're choosing a venue that will deliver an amazing experience. Featuring testimonials, reviews, and real wedding stories on your site provides that reassurance at crucial decision moments. Like when purchasing a product online, good reviews can grab your attention from one product to another. Consider dedicating a section of your homepage to a few glowing testimonials from past couples. Highlight specific praise if possible. For example, a quote about how flawless the day was thanks to your staff, or how many guests raved about the venue ambience. Placing these near your inquiry form, or CTAs, can reinforce a visitor's confidence right as they're deciding to contact you. For added impact, include a photo of the happy couple or a beautiful shot of their wedding at your venue next to their testimonial. This instills further confidence in the review and makes it more relatable at the same time. In addition to short testimonials, consider showcasing full real wedding features or case studies on a blog or separate page. Storytelling can be incredibly persuasive. You might write a blog post about Alex and Jamie's summer wedding at your venue, with a narrative of the day and plenty of photos. This allows couples to truly imagine their own wedding in your space. It also demonstrates your expertise and experience in hosting memorable events. Such real wedding write-ups serve a dual purpose, inspiring your prospective clients and also boosting your SEO if optimized with the right keywords. You can even tie in any success stories about improvements or updates. For example, if you implemented new planning software or new decor that elevated an event, mention that. The key is to celebrate past clients on your site. Seeing those joyous wedding moments and reading positive experiences will help new visitors trust that you can deliver the same for them. Mobile friendly, fast and SEO optimized. All the gorgeous content and fancy features in the world won't convert visitors if your website performs poorly or can't be found. Modern couples are often browsing on their phones during lunch breaks or pinning ideas on tablets at night. That means your site must be fully responsive, mobile-friendly, and quick to load. A slow or glitchy site is a conversion killer. If your gallery images take too long to load or the layout breaks on a small screen, users may leave before they even see your offerings. Aim for pages that load within a couple of seconds. You can make pages load faster by compressing image files, enabling browser caching, and eliminating any unnecessary scripts or elements that drag down speed. Tools like Google Page Speed Insights can help identify what to fix. The payoff is not just a better user experience, but also an SEO boost, as Google tends to rank fast, mobile-optimized sites higher in search results. Mobile-friendly design also means easy navigation and actions on small screens. Use legible fonts, adequate text spacing, and buttons that are large enough to tap with a thumb. Ensure that your CTA buttons and contact forms are clearly visible and usable on mobile devices as well. You can even have Call Now buttons trigger a phone dial on smartphones for instant connection. Simplify menus into a mobile-friendly toggle and avoid any media that doesn't work on common devices. A good mobile site makes it simple for a couple to scroll through photos, read about your venue, and get in touch without any frustration or distractions. Finally, don't forget about the SEO, search engine optimization, fundamentals while building your high-converting site. Being conversion-oriented doesn't only apply after someone lands on your page, you need to attract those visitors in the first place. Use relevant keywords throughout your site's titles and copy. Terms like wedding venue in your area or rustic barn wedding venue, your area, as appropriate, so that search engines understand what your venue offers. Writing a blog, just like this one, and updating your news or gallery periodically with fresh content can also signal that your site is active and relevant. Additionally, claim and integrate your Google business profile and encourage reviews on Google and Facebook, as these often show up when people search for your venue and add credibility. List your venue on popular directories as recommended in our Venue Marketing Guide. These inbound links and citations will support your SEO and funnel more interested visitors to your site. In summary, a fast, mobile-optimized, and SEO-friendly website not only improves user experience, but also ensures you get found by more couples in the first place. Conclusion: from website visit to booked. Building a wedding venue website that truly converts is about thoughtful design, useful content, and smart technology working in harmony. By captivating visitors with stunning visuals, guiding them with clear info and CTAs, and making it effortless to contact or book a tour, you transform your website into a powerful sales tool. Each element we discussed, from testimonials that build trust to integrated SONAS booking forms that streamline the process, plays a role in reducing friction and nurturing the visitor's journey towards becoming a client. Remember that today's couples value a seamless, professional online experience. The great news is that you don't have to be a web guru to implement these changes. Start with small steps. Update your gallery with fresh photos, tweak that call to action text, or add a single glowing review quote to your homepage. Even these minor improvements can yield more inquiries. Then, consider the bigger enhancements, like embedding a booking calendar or revamping your site template to be more mobile-friendly. These sorts of investments can pay for themselves with just 1 or 2 additional bookings. Ultimately, your website should inspire couples and instill confidence that your venue is the one for their wedding. By focusing on user experience and leveraging the right tools, you can turn casual visitors into excited tour schedulers and those tours into confirmed bookings. Here's to creating a website experience that not only wows brides and grooms, but also helps your wedding venue business flourish with a calendar full of celebrations. Check out our ultimate guide to wedding venue management to find out more about the management and organisation side of a wedding venue.